Welcome to Morrocco Method, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, founder, creator of the 5 Elements Hair Care Morrocco Method. Luxurious hair. So I'm starting a series of videos. I'm going to send one out a week to basically bring our audience, you, our beloved clients, into a higher education of how to get thicker, stronger, healthier hair, scalp, health. Our health is our wealth. So today's theme is going to be hair loss and hair thinning, which is sort of really my professional expertise of growing hair. I've been doing that since the 1960s. Individually, I've had a lot of super names, regular people getting their hair and scalp back into luxurious, healthy conditions. But today is really shocking, 2023 more than ever. So the last 10 years, we've been all witnessing women especially never had hair loss in the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000. And now it's an epidemic. And where is it coming from? I would say it's coming from like really synthetic, chemical, laboratory-based ingredients. So we really have to get educated in how to read our ingredient lists. So I'm going to start off with our styling products. And of course, we have the blood of a dragon and we have the pomade. They're basically using aloe vera as the base, which is 100% natural, plant-based. If you look at our ingredient list, you'll be surprised, happily surprised to see all natural ingredients. Where I'm looking at mostly all the hair care styling products are polymers, which is liquid plastic, petroleum. So what I'm going to basically make you aware is that when you put these ingredients, the styling products on your hair, it's going into your scalp. We're ingesting about 70%. Anything you put on your skin, the skin will eat about 70%. Hair care, skin care, dental care, all of that gets ingested and it goes into your bloodstream. Then down into the organs, it doesn't get detoxed, doesn't get brought out. And that's where disease comes from. But the hair loss is unbelievable. I'm looking at 13, 15, 17, 20-year-olds, 50% hair loss. I usually, if I can, comfortably, I ask them, what are you doing for hair care, for styling products? And they mention all these modern names. I'm not going to mention them, but all these different products that are just really the rave right now. And I say to them, do you realize that that's liquid plastic? That's literally polymers. And that's going down into your scalp. Your scalp can no longer breathe day in, day out, and you're having major hair loss. And women never had hair loss as they are the last 10 years. And today, it's an epidemic. It's really horrendous. So you really start having to look at your ingredients and realizing, like, what's going on in here? You have parabens, you have alcohols, you have synthetic fragrances, coal tar, and then, of course, sodium lauryl sulfate. I think there's about 13 different names now for sodium lauryl sulfate, because even the industry is terrified about all this sulfates. They're horrendous. They were invented in World War II to degrease factories, the sulfates. That's where they come from, World War II, degreasing factories. They slowly got into our hair care products, skin care products, even our dental products and toothpaste. Horrendous. But imagine when you're walking down the street and you see people like just really start noticing women having tremendous hair loss. But women wear scarves, they wear hats, they cover it up with wigs, styling, which is making it worse. Their hair looks terrible. But with men, we basically go, oh yeah, I'm going bald, but no, we really have to take care of ourselves. Our health is our wealth. You really need to start reading your ingredient lists. Is it laboratory made? Is it synthetic? Or is it really natural? So the word organic no longer exists. It's just the last several years, it's just a pseudo word. So don't look for organic on anything. Food, hair care, nothing. basically look to where the source is. Where is it coming from? Are you really looking at where is it made? Is it a laboratory? Or are they picking this like aloe vera from nature? So I'm really, inviting you to ask me questions and what kind of theme would you like to hear? So just put them in the comments below. Just send me your questions or anything at all. Put them in the comments right below here, and I'll be really happy to work with you for luxurious, healthy, magnificently natural hair, scalp.